Hello,
Hi, ladies. I'm Cindy.
I'm Debbie.
We're Sisters in Stitches, and we have plenty for you.
Okay, and we're gonna kind of race through. This is Cindy's dia&co, but she doesn't have the black pants with her that came with the box. She left them at her other place of her other living space.
But you'll see the
So,
try-on. But
you'll see that can see them in the try-on, but she can't show you them up close.
but if you're looking at it right now, they do fit me pretty good. So depending on the price, I might get them.
And she doesn't have the price list
Yeah.
with her. She'll put it under the video because she left that at the other living space as well.
I had so many boxes to bring to my new house to do the videos that I just didn't check to make sure everything was there. But by the time you're watching this, you're going to see it across the screen. So this is the necklace that they gave me, and it is really pretty.
It is really
And if
pretty.
nothing else, I think I would keep this and just, pay the $12 difference or whatever, because I do really like it. And I like the fact that it's long too. So it comes down pretty, ooh, what is that? So it does come down pretty long.
She was saving that for later. Sorry about that.
My granddaughter was over. It was probably on her hands. So the three pieces I can show you in clothing wise. Now this dress is from Taylor, and it's a long, heavy sweater dress. And I like the dress, and I like that it's warm and heavy. I like the stripes going down, but how did it look on me? Because I haven't, yeah, it was just a little too tight for my comfort. And I don't want to keep anything waiting for me to lose weight, because it'll just sit in my closet.
Yeah, that makes sense.
I have a section of my closet where all the clothes get that are not worn, and they all talk to each other like, maybe she'll pick us today. No.
Yeah. Cindy, we both decided in this new year we've got to really pull back on buying things that we're not sure. Like I bought that red coat from Stitch Fix. I still haven't worn it. Christmas came and went, and I've never put the coat on.
It looks so good on you. You got so many compliments on that.
I know, comments. I still haven't worn it.
Now, I do kind of like this sweater. This is by Mary Sky, and I think I have a couple other things. I like it that it's not off the shoulder, but I like how wide it is here. How did it look on me? Too tight?
No, I think you could pull that off if you wanted it.
Because I don't have anything like this. This would kind of look good even with a turtleneck on underneath. What do you guys think? I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. This is the one shirt that I'm not sure of.
Guys. Tell me what you think, guys.
Well, it's the one shirt I don't know. And I don't want to say, oh, yes, and then everyone goes, yeah, no, it didn't flatter you, or, whatever. So that's the one I do need help on. And this one is by Downing Studio. And it can be worn off the shoulder or on top, so I kind of tried to show you both in the try-on. They're 3/4 length sleeves, and these were a bit tight.
I hate elastic around the cover.
But the print is kind of...
I think the print is pretty.
It's got, like mauves and pinks and white.
Purple.
So I don't know. What do you think it looked like on me?
It was cute on.
So I don't know. Okay.
I would just cut those sleeves.
Yeah, I wish I knew how to take.
But see, you need to give that back, because if the sleeves are too tight and you wear that, it's gonna bother you when those sleeves dig into your skin and start itching.
Yeah,
so
that's
if it doesn't fit you like a glove, send it back.
So I might just keep the white sweater and this necklace, because I really like this.
And I would even say, truthfully, I would send the white sweater back too, because Cindy has a ton of white sweaters. She really doesn't need another sweater. You really don't. You got to start only buying the pieces that you don't have in your closet, and you have white sweaters. But that's a cool piece.
I might just keep these, and maybe the black jeans, because I have like 2 pair of black jeans and a pair of black corduroys, so maybe. All right.
So we're ticking through these kind of fast tonight because we don't have a lot of time to do several videos. And she's got some pretty big ones coming up with a lot of pieces. So we got to get going so we can get in the next video.
So
But
thanks.
hey, weigh in. How was everybody's holidays? I know I responded to quite a few of you on the Stitch Fix video, but if you want to leave us a little tidbits about how your holidays were, if you didn't already,
Yeah.
we'd love to read those. So,
All right. So I guess we'll let it go, and it looks like it might just be this, unless you guys can convince me to keep the white sweater.
no, she's got too many, you guys. She just bought a new house. She's just furnished it with all new furniture. She's got enough bills. She doesn't need, and Cindy's got more clothes than anybody I know. Seriously. And she's always saying, oh, I need that. I need that. I'm like, you need that. Anyway. All right, we'll see you in the next video.
All right. Bye, ladies.
Bye.